We're going to be building today Lego City Train.
And how many bags has that got in?
I don't know.
Why don't you have a look?
Oh, and here's the back.
Go and tip it on the floor then. Don't throw everything.
Wait, we need the track.
Yeah, leave it.
We might need them. You put them down there.
So you're going to get the instructions on bag 1.
Seven bags. That's where it goes.
Sit there.
Move them out the way. Number 1. We already know. You build the man and I build the person. You build the man. You're building the man.
Why do I have to build the man?
Because it's a girl and a man. So yeah.
Which one am I doing? The blue one?
He didn't have another. She didn't even have another headpiece in the back. What if your one has a headpiece in the back? Like those ones with 2 heads.
Yeah, where's its bag?
Mine just folds up. The hair popped off mine.
Where's that bit?
Where's that? Ooh. I don't actually know how to pop that one on.
Right.
Close it.
You put one in there, they've got 2 pins on there like that.
That's my struggle with the pins, because they don't open up. Look.
Well, do the next bit.
We're building a bit of track. Great.
Here's your bike.
Today, you're track man. So there's your box. You're track man, because I need to do the track. You can find that bit, these 2 long things.
Well, they're all in front of you.
Yeah, well, you can find one, I'll find the other. I got my one.
Yeah.
What's this piece?
Yeah, never mind that what that piece is.
Where does that go?
Goes on the other end like that, doesn't it?
Ooh, it's a staircase. Another way to build a staircase. Fabulous. find out. I'll get the 2 chairs. Where's the stickers?
I've got the stickers here.
It's a number 0.
No, that's the top piece. What's up?
It's a number 0. There's nothing. It's a number 0. Where's the... This actually moves by itself without control.
Does it?
Yeah, I know that. Mister. Don't know.
So what do you have to do now?
I'm going to pop that there. Jack. You can do that one. I'll put that over there so we can both do it. Why are they circling?
Because they normally have the pins through too.
I need 2 of these, but we only have 1.
There's another one here. Go on and put the rest of the bits on.
Can you flip the page to the next page?
I'll do one and you do the other.
Pop it on. Mine's on this side. And what's this thing?
You'll see in a minute.
You need 2. So you do one and I do.
I'll put the stickers on and you make them up.
I need that next. It looks fabulous. Now you can make the other one. What's the little light? Did we miss something out?
Yeah, there might be some spares.
But we haven't used this little light yet.
Yeah, there's one on the bike.
Oh.
Here then.
You can get a little box.
No,
You can do a little starter.
here. It's up here. I've got one here.
It's not set it up yet, cause yeah.
Shall we put the people in the chairs?
Yeah, in their chairs. Put that one there, because it has a luggage. And the bike can just sit here. Like you just put it there.
So is that bag 1? And instruction number 1.
Subscribe and leave a like.
You're too close, Mia.
Subscribe and leave a like. Bye.